Introducing the Echo Pop, a smart speaker that will revolutionize the way you experience sound. This compact powerhouse, equipped with Alexa, boasts full-bodied audio that's perfect for bedrooms and cozy corners. It's small enough to seamlessly blend into any space, yet its remarkable sound makes it impossible to ignore. With the Echo Pop, controlling your music has never been easier. Just ask Alexa, and she'll bring your favorite tunes, audiobooks, and podcasts to life. Whether you're a fan of Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, SiriusXM, or other providers, this smart speaker has got you covered. And if you want to take the sound beyond its compact confines, simply connect via Bluetooth and let the music flow throughout your entire space. But the Echo Pop is not just about music. It can transform any space into a smart haven. Thanks to Alexa's intelligence and the power of the Alexa app, you can effortlessly control compatible smart home devices with your voice alone, turn on smart plugs, adjust smart lights, and create a truly interconnected environment without lifting a finger. Prepare to embrace a life of convenience and efficiency. Alexa will be your trusty assistant, handling tasks that make everyday living a breeze. Set timers, check the weather, read the latest news, reorder essential items like paper towels, make calls, and answer all your pressing questions. The Echo Pop is your gateway to an easier and more streamlined existence. There's no limit to what you can achieve with this smart speaker by your side. Concerned about your privacy? Rest assured, the Echo Pop is designed with your security in mind. It only begins listening once it hears the magic word, Alexa, and the telltale blue light bar illuminates. Your conversations remain private, and with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a convenient make off button, you are always in control of your personal information. Not only is the Echo Pop technologically advanced, but it's also environmentally conscious. The fabric covering the device is made from 100% post-consumer recycled yarn, and the aluminum components are crafted from 80% recycled aluminum. Even the device packaging is 100% recyclable, allowing you to enjoy cutting-edge technology guilt-free. The Echo Pop is more than just a smart speaker, it's a game-changer. Its compact size and incredible sound make it a must-have for any music enthusiast. With Alexa as your reliable assistant, your life will become simpler, more organized, and effortlessly connected. Experience the future today with the Echo Pop and unlock a world of possibilities while being mindful of the environment.